In this video, I'll show you how to do the tab glitch in Roblox step by step. First, open the Roblox client on your computer and join any game. Make sure the game is fully loaded before continuing. Once you're inside the game, look at the Roblox logo at the top of the window. This part is important. Now, right-click on the Roblox logo. While holding the right mouse button, drag the logo onto the game screen and then release it. When you do this correctly, your screen should freeze and the tab glitch will activate. That's essentially how the glitch works. If it doesn't work the first time, try repeating the steps slowly and make sure you're dragging the logo correctly. And that's it. That's how you do the tab glitch in Roblox. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips. I'll see you next time.